folks, it's my first video of 2018 and it's time to get ready with me. Green juice. We got a brand new attitude in 2018, that's what we have. And I've tweeted this. If you don't follow me on Twitter, go follow me. It's Jerry. I think it's with an underscore, but if not, I'll leave the link below. This year is the year of give me practical advice or leave me alone. We can all give our 2 pence, am I right? There's some people that have been given their 2 pence where it's very unwarranted, and I'm sick and tired of it. So yeah, right now I've just put rose water on my hair. Who needs H2O when you can have rose H2O? I mean, oh, opulence, darling. Put this in my curls, because if you see what these curls look like without this DIY that I do, you would scream. See the difference? See how they drop. Look at now. I don't know if I'm gonna do contact lenses today or not. The struggle of when you get ready. Do I wear contact lenses today? Or New Year, same me is the motto. New Year, same me, more focus, more creativity. In the spirit of giving practical advice, one practical advice I'd give myself: stop saying all the things you're gonna do and start saying how you're gonna do it. What are the steps? Step 1, I'm gonna go to this place. Step 2, I'm gonna meet these people. Step 3, I'm gonna research this. Step 4, I'm gonna give myself X amount of time to execute. Forget what everybody else is saying. This year we need to move in silence, because everybody wants to know what everyone's doing. It's not even keeping up with Kardashians anymore. It's keeping up with Kerry, Kate and Katona. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm back at it again with this crusty primer. If you remember it, your raw one. The primer that makes me look like Casper the Friendly Ghost, but I've ran out. And I'm trying to save my coins in 2018. Another practical advice, please, especially our students, yeah, let's stop getting sucked into the sales. Like, 20% discount is not a discount. It's a joke. You know what 20% discount is? It's a slap in the face. If you're advertising a 20% discount as a big sale, we're gonna have to leave you in 2017. Alright, throw the whole shop away. And on the spirit of throwing the whole shop away, when it comes to H&M, I have a very controversial opinion on it, and if you disagree, then disagree in it. But is it just me that feels like people are being too sensitive now? Everything is being blown out of proportion. What's everyone really screaming about? And a lot of people that are quiet about a lot of things, now once the ball is rolling on a new thing to hate, everyone wants to jump on and hate it. But have you actually ever stopped and thought, what is my opinion? Like, no, not what I'm being fed, not what I'm being told, what is my opinion? I kind of feel like H&M did it on purpose. When you think about the past year and a half, 2 years, ever since like the Pepsi commercial with Kendall Jenner to, what's it called? There was something else that happened. I think it was a Nivea or Dove advert where there was like a black person, there was a white person, and when the Dove was used and they took off the top and it was a white person. All these innuendos and stuff like that in these adverts. Don't you realize that they're capitalizing off your anger? Like, you're actually making these things go viral. You're helping them sell the products. Like, you're helping them with their marketing quotas and everything else. And all these people that are screaming, H&M, boycott H&M. Right. You know when you see those same people in the H&M queue? What? The protest campaign? Oh no, you're just buying a $4.99 top. Okay, cool. It's not by force. Everybody wants to be a social justice warrior. And I get it, like, everybody wants to be perceived as noble, and everybody wants to be perceived as like, I'm out here doing the greatest thing for humanity. Sometimes the best thing to do is know when your 2 pence, sometimes the best thing to do is know when your 2 pence is not needed. Everybody wants to have an opinion about everything. Sometimes you don't even know what you're talking about, you still want to have an opinion. Ask yourself, why am I suddenly riled up? Too many people are sensitive. Sometimes you need to realize the intent behind what people say. Are people saying something because they're being ignorant? Are they saying it because they're trying to get a reaction out of you? Or not? But anyways, I'm just a social commentator, to be honest. That's what I am. You know how everyone's like social influencers now and like beauty influencers? I'm just a social commentator. I'm here to do my running commentary. So that's finally my eyebrows done. If you a blind bat, say hey, hey, say ho. Okay, I'll be right back after I've done my foundation. I want to try do glossy eyeshadow thing. I've never done it before, so I'm going to try do it today.
I believed everything we had was less. Young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for you. Seems I'm smarter than that. And I hate to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish me to compete when you cheat, will lose within. Took me some time, but now I moved on. 'Cause I realize I gotta be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry to you out there. From now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry to you out there. From now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with the 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong.
When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta-ta.
You ain't on my throne, ain't even a seat away. Still kicking closed doors off the hinges now.
Baby, girl, give me something, oh.
This is what I do for blush.
I know it's bitches in your phone. I ain't tight, let it take a run along my shit.
Baby, girl, I like the way you talk. Wait a minute.
It's just your eyes in the city, and this in the scrimmage. Motherfucker, we ain't finished. I tell you, we won't stop.
For them bad girl. Boom, ba, boom, 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 boom.
Bam. That's pretty much me and my half get ready with me, half talk with me. Yeah, let's all smash 2018, guys.